I'm replacing this seal on a turbo air fridge, but this same method works on nearly every commercial fridge or freezer with a push-in seal. First, I open the door and grab the old seal from the top corner. A bit of pressure, and it pulls right out of the track. I work my way around the entire door. No tools, no fuss. Out with the old, and in with the new. Starting from the top corner again, I press the new seal firmly into the channel, then the other top corner, and work my way down, thumb pressing all the way around until it's snug and sealed. And yeah, I'm filming this with one hand and installing with the other. That's how easy it is. If you need a replacement fridge seal, visit our website at fridgeseal.com. We ship worldwide to your door with easy instructions and videos.